Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a crochet bunny applique. For this pattern we need cotton yarn, and first make one magic circle and make 3 foundation chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch, make 15 more double crochet into this ring. 3 4 5, and you repeat the double crochet 16 times and tie this ring properly. Now join it with slip stitch, and this is a first round complete. For second round make 2 chain, count as a first half double crochet stitch and make one more double crochet, half double crochet, then 3 double crochet in the same stitch, 3 or 4 double crochet, and this is a bunny's head. And then take 5 chains, go to the second chain from your hook, make one single crochet, then one half double crochet in the next stitch, one double crochet in the next, then go to the next stitch with one half DC, then one single crochet stitch in the last stitch, and then make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and repeat the same stitch, one single crochet stitch in the second stitch from your hook, one half DC, then next one DC, then one half DC stitch in the next stitch, and then last stitch you make one single crochet stitch and go to the same stitch and make one slip stitch.